Today, I want to discuss on a very important topic, that is nationalism, or you can say vegetarian humanity, because India is the only country who has one third vegetarian population, and this is the base of humanity. You can see the examples in the society being human, but they take meat. What type of human are these fellows? How they can claim that they are human being? Human is the supreme creation of God, and he is on the top of food chain, but it doesn't mean that he is permitted to kill the animals. All the living beings are equal status at the Almighty, because each and every living being have their own fundamental rights. But the mankind who claims that he is kind and he has established Human Right Commission only, why not all living beings right commission? It should be there and everywhere. If there is no advocate, no courts are established by other animals, birds, and with cruelty, with heinous mind, they are being slaughtered and their meats is being taken by the mankind who claims that kind. What type of kindness is that? How ridiculous is that? You can understand, Mr. My dear brothers and sisters, it is the time to think over it. We are under lockdown due to this violence against the animals. At Wuhan in China, there is a meat market and all types of animals are cut there, slaughtered, and some of them are taken live as a food. How dangerous situation is that, and created the lockdown for totally human being is under lockdown, and all the animals and birds are enjoying at roads. You can see the videos on social site, etc. How the situation arise? It is the time to think over it at your home, at your places. I would like to request you to introspect yourself, and after this lockdown is over, whatever we have learnt during this period, it should never be forgotten, and we should abide by these rules in our future life. We will not disturb any animal, we will not disturb any nature. If you want to take a leaf from the tree, we should ask first, let me allow to take your one leaf, it is very necessary for my life. So the total fruits, vegetables and grains are for the mankind. You can understand with your blunt mind that these are for others. After ripening, a fruit is automatically fall down for mankind, and similar the grains, after ripening the grains that fell down on the earth for others. But the life of other birds and animals is not, of course, a fruit and vegetable. We have lost our mind. The non-veg people have no mind and they never will think over it because they have lost their mind. It is the duty of one third population of Indian community, the vegetarian society, to motivate one person. One vegetarian people will motivate one non-veg people to come to this vegetarian society. Then only we can save the earth, this planet. Now the world is a global village due to this technology, and it is not a very tough task. I would like to NGOs, governments also to make some rules in India, because India is the only base of non-violence. India is the only base of vegetarian food, because there are number of rivers and there is no shortage of food grains and fruits and vegetables. Now corona have proved that a man taking fruits have good immunity. The genes of Indians can fight with corona due to this veg food. Animal protein is very dangerous for immunity. Without immunity you will not be alive by not only this virus. There are thousands, more than 1,000 viruses are stored in that laboratory of China, very dangerous country. So dear friends, be veg and subscribe YouTube channel Vegetarian Humanity. Then only you can claim you are the supreme on the earth and motivate your children. If you have fallen in this bad habit, you can save your children, motivate them not to take meat, egg, others' life. We all are brothers and sisters, including birds and animals, of that Almighty God. This is the only message. Please mind it, and I would like you once again the message: stay home, boost your immunity, use mask, wash hands, and do yoga, do yaj, do pranayam, walk for a mile at your place on your terrace, and take vitamin C fruits, tulsi, giloy, aloe vera. These are the medicines, these are the tips to keep yourself active and immunity boost to fight with corona, because the heart within and God our heart. Trust in God. This is the only message. Okay, bye. Thank you. Namaste. Namaste.